actually last year what happened is like when I was doing my PG, my parents told me like you have to meet one guy, and that guy is based in Delhi and he's doing DNB medicine. So first I wanted to get over with my PG, and later I wanted to see a guy and to go for marriage purposes kind of. So then soon after I finishes my PG, I came back to Pathankot and met him at some coffee day. So then one meeting was like okay kind of. When I came back I said no for him. I made up my mind and immediately called my brother for it. I don't know what to do. Why don't you go and meet the guy? I'm really not able to decide what to do. So then, because my all decisions are every time left on him, like I don't take any random decision unless I don't take his opinion. He's like second opinion always for me. Like doctors take an opinion, even I take opinion as such.
Okay, you guys met after long deliberations. She was preparing for exams, and for good 3-4 months we didn't meet. Finally, when we met, it was kind of good. She was full of life, very magnetic, kind of charming. We were charmed at the first moment.
रीचा के बारे में मैं क्या बताऊं? वो तो ना मैं उसके बगैर रह सकती हूँ, ना वो मेरे बगैर रह सकती है। जब बाहर भी पड़ी है तब भी मैं समझो कि उसके साथ ही थी। सारा रात को सोना, उसने सुबह मुझे कहना कि मुझे आपने उठा देना 5 बजे, पर मैंने सुबह उसको फ़ोन करके उसको उठा देना, और उठी होती थी, पर उसको ये होता था कि माँ मेरे साथ है।
Ajay, please you have to meet my brother. He's in Delhi only, and you are in Delhi. So why don't you catch up, guys? So I immediately informed both of them. Then next day they both met each other, and then later they met and the things got more simplified and all. He said okay, he's like nice guy and he's got good sense of humor, and then finally my parents also met him. Like he is like from a good family. And
so let's say we guys are Punjabis, we look in the eyes and see something, so we saw something, kind of pure, kind of unbiased, unadulterated, very pure,
रीचा के बारे में ये मैं बताना चाहता हूँ कि जब ये छोटी थी ना, तो शी वॉज सो स्टूडियस, पढ़ने में इसकी इतनी लगन थी कि ये क्या करती थी कि स्कूल से जब 5वीं 6वीं में थी इवन, तो स्कूल से जब आती थी तो इसने एक ना हमारे से ब्लैक बोर्ड जो स्कूलों में होता है वैसा बनवाया था। तो वो ब्लैक बोर्ड पर अपना लेसन को लर्न करने के लिए वो ब्लैक बोर्ड पर लिख के उसको रब करके लिख के रब करना, पूरे लेसन उसने 2-2 घंटे एक चाक का डब्बा मंगवा लेना, तो वो तीसरे चौथे दिन ख़त्म कर देना। तो लर्निंग के लिए हम अब जब छोटे थे तो पढ़ने के लिए हम और कोई मेथड अपनाते थे, पर इसने एक नया मेथड ईजाद किया कि जो स्कूलों में देखा कि टीचर ब्लैक बोर्ड पर लिखते हैं समझाते हैं, इसने ब्लैक बोर्ड, क्योंकि शी वाज इकोनॉमिक आल्सो, मोरओवर इसमें जो इंटेंशन थी उसकी कि वाई वेस्ट मनी ऑन पेपर्स और वो यूजलेस हो जाएंगे, तो इसलिए ये ब्लैक बोर्ड पर लिखती, पहले याद करती, फिर लिखती, फिर उसको रब करती, ऐसे चल रहा है इसका। इसमें इतनी ललक थी पढ़ने की कि हमारी सारी फैमिली, साहस, माई वाइफ अनीता चोपड़ा और मैं, मतलब कि सो मनी टाइम फॉरेन ट्रिप पर गए, पर इसको भी कहना चल तो एवरी टाइम शी रिफ्यूज्ड कि स्टडी फर्स्ट, और ये जो काम बाहर जाने का मैं आफ्टर मैरिज करूँगी, क्योंकि दिस इज माई स्टडी टाइम। और बाय द ग्रेस ऑफ ऑलमाइटी नाउ शी इज पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट इन मेडिकल लाइन, and she has completed his MD by the grace of Almighty। और मतलब कि इसके बारे में ये है कि शी इज़ वेरी ब्रेव आल्सो, ये घबराती नहीं है, कोई भी प्रॉब्लम आ जाए उसी वक्त सोल्यूशन ले लो। तो ये मैं इसके बारे में ये कहूँगा, ये मेरी बेटी नहीं, ये मेरा बेटा है। मे गॉड शी इज सक्सेस इन हर लाइफ। थैंक यू।
We love honesty, the moment I saw her, I knew, this is it. We're gonna settle down, have kids, make a team here. Okay, done.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kavita Ghosh and I'm Richa's friend. We were friends since last 15 years, since our MBBS days, spending time together, our exams, I've seen her highs and lows, been for each other. I must say that she's one of the most beautiful, most down-to-earth girl I've ever met in my life. My just one last piece of advice to Ajay: you have got something which so many people were after. So please value what you have got and take good care of her. Thank you.
So today is my sister's wedding and it's 19th of January 2016. We're all very excited and we have been waiting for this day for a very long time. Since she's a doctor, you would understand how much difficult had it been for her to, take out time for this. Even right now, she was the late entry in our family. All the members of the family, all the relatives were already here, friends were here. So she was the latest entrant. And just a moment back, I was reminiscing old memories of our childhood. So whenever I used to pull her hair, I used to mock her, tease her, and she would just come to me and she would just kiss me. And yeah, like this. So yeah, that was pretty good memories that I've had, and now she's going to a new phase of her life. I hope she is able to cope up her new phase, and God bless her.
So we decided to let's get hooked now, and today that's the day. I'm getting married and today is 19th of January.